Okay, guys, welcome to the Mooncoin channel. My name is Udara, and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video. So, as you know, we are the bottom finders, right? So, Bitcoin bottom, where the hell is it? Okay, let's find out. Actually, guys, to be honest with you, no one can find exactly the bottom. Okay, exact bottom moment cannot. It is very difficult to find. It is like catching a falling knife, as you know. Okay, we can't catch a falling knife. It is very difficult to find out. But today I'm going to help you to find the not the exact moment, but the approximate target. I'm going to give you an approximate target where will be the Bitcoin will be bottom out. Okay, let's we are going to figure out it. Okay, so guys, as I have mentioned before in the previous video, I think you can remember that these bottoms are the most important things in these cycles. Okay, first you have to understand about the cycles. I will come to that topic later. Okay, first, actually, you know what, bear markets are making millionaires. Bear markets are making millionaires. What does that mean? Bear markets, bear markets, bear markets, bear markets. Okay, bottoms. Bear markets are making millionaires. Right here, bottoms. I have mentioned that thing in the previous video also. So, guys, what should we do now? Okay, to find out the bottom, first we have to understand about the cycles, how these cycles are working. What are the cycles? Cycles means, guys, these are the cycles. Okay, uptrend downtrend, so it is a one cycle. Uptrend downtrend, so it is another cycle. Okay, so here also there is another cycle. Uptrend downtrend cycle, uptrend downtrend cycles. Now we have found four cycles, guys. It is excellent, guys. Okay, now four cycles are there. So I told you a word, uptrend and downtrend. It is easy to understand, right? So we are calling these uptrends as what? Bull markets, and downtrends as what? Bear markets. Uptrend, bull market, bear market. Bull market, bear market. Bull market, bear market. Bull market, and bear market. So, guys, if you can find these bottoms, actually, you know what, if you have already found those bottoms, you have become already a millionaire here. Okay, it is nothing to talk about that. So why what are we going to do is now to find out this exact bottom. Okay, if we can find this exact bottom, we will be a millionaire one day. It is not a big achievement, guys. It is really easy to find out. This crypto market is really volatile, so volatile people can make money easy through this volatile market, guys. So I'm going to give you today one clue. um, I will show you that. So now I have already educated you. I have taught you that how to find a cycle. So now we are also now finishing this cycle. Okay, what cycle? This cycle which is started from here. Okay, then uptrend, then downtrend. So it is also a cycle. So we are the most important thing is here to find the bottom. Okay, let's find out, guys. Each Guys, as you can see, each bear markets. Okay, so in 2011 to 2012, guys, this bear market has decreased 94, approximately 94, 93, 94. Okay, guys, the price from 32 to $1.97, guys. Anyway, 94% has been decreased from the Bitcoin price. Okay, so this bear market has performed well. So let's figure out what has happened in the other bear market in 2004 13 this November to uh, June, yeah, 2015 June, July. Okay, so this bear market, I'm going to see. Okay guys, 86% has been decreased from its value, from Bitcoin's value at the top in the previous bull cycle high. From, if we, yeah, from the previous bull cycle high to current, according to this bear market bottom, it has decreases how much? 86%. First we got 93 or 94, then 86% of its value has been decreased. Okay guys, okay, mind these values. Okay, mind this, mark my words, each bear market Bitcoin has decreases more than 83%. Guys, what? Each bear market in those Bitcoin cycles that we had previously, the Bitcoin has decreased its value more than 83%. Okay, you saw this here, 93%, here 86%. Okay guys, then here we'll see 83%, guys, 83. Yeah, here I will zoom this, I will zoom this out. Okay guys, here, okay, okay, 84%, guys, as I told you, more than 83. Each bear market Bitcoin has decreased more than 83% from its bull cycle value. That means the previous bull cycle top, from its previous bull cycle top, each time it has decreased more than 83%, guys. Yeah, okay, let's, now you have a clue. What is that clue? Each cycles Bitcoin has to be, actually it cannot, it doesn't, it Bitcoin will never has to be all kind of that things. Okay, we don't know what will happen next, but using these historical data, guys, we can approximately predict that in this bear market that now we are facing, in this bear market also we have to decrease, we have to see Bitcoin getting decreased its value from its previous bull cycle top value. Yeah, from this value, more than 83% of decrease, right? We have to expect it. So let's see how much we have decreased from up to now, guys. Yes guys, it is 77% is still. So you saw here 84%, here how much? Here I can remember like 87 or something. Yeah, 87, guys. And here how much? Yes guys, 93, guys. Yeah, 93 to 94, like that. So still we have decreased, the Bitcoin has decreased, yeah, only 77%. So guys, more to go, more downside to go. According to the historical data, Bitcoin has more to go. So as we use the previous data, so let's see which will be the price when the Bitcoin decreased its value to 87, like that. So guys, you can see what is the value. Yeah guys, 8,872, like that. Okay guys, I think Bitcoin, yeah, it is nothing is here a financial advice. Okay guys, you have to take your own risk and invest, but mind this. Okay, millionaires are made in bear markets. Okay, you have to buy blood, you have to buy blood, fear, anxiety, you have to buy red, guys. If you bought big red D-dolls, guys, you will end up with big green candles here, as you can see here. If you have bought here, big red DDoS, what has happened? If you have bought big red DDoS, you have been ended up with big green candles, guys, big green candles. So guys, I still can't understand why the people, what are the people are doing right now. They are still waiting until the best discount is coming. It is not the thing, guys. You don't need to find that exact bottom. You have to dollar cost average here from this point to 87% down point, as I said, like around 7,000 to like this price, 9,100. Anyway guys, my target is from $7,000 to 10,000 will be the bottom of Bitcoin. Okay, but I have to show you another thing also. I will come out, by using the Fib retracement, I can tell you the exact price that I am looking for, but you have to wait for that until my suggestion is you to my actually not suggestion, my opinion is Bitcoin will bottom out around 7,000 to 10,000, like 9,195, like that kind of a price. Okay guys, because this is very easy to understand. If any a kid also can understand, because each, according to the historical data, each bear market the Bitcoin has been decreased its value more than 83%. Okay, so still we have seen only the 83, not 83, but 77% of decrease. As I will show you again, here we have seen only 78 to 77% decrease only. So more downside to come. Okay, so I'm also looking for that downside, but I will never try to catch that falling knife, guys. It is not a good thing. You have to understand how these markets are working. Okay, so charts are telling us a story, you have to understand that. So what my advice is, you to don't wait for the bottom, but start DCA, guys. Start DCA, dollar cost average, then you will be you will be skyrocketed one day, sure, it is sure. But you have to be impatient, and you have to be, it is very difficult thing to accumulate Bitcoin in a bear market, because still we can go more down. But if you started accumulating Bitcoin here to here in a dollar cost average method, so then you will be you will have that Bitcoin that you have bought that Bitcoin under a average price, guys. So that is the value, of dollar cost averaging. Okay guys, so guys, I think you learned something new today. So I will come up with the next video by using how to find out the bottom of Bitcoin by using Fibonacci retracement. So I think it will be more useful for you more than that this by using this scaling method. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.